Okay, it is a national park of Gajipur.
Yeah.
Another name is Bhawal National Park.
Yes.
So we can come, me and Arif.
Yeah, this is Rigan bhai.
Capturing. There is an inner forest. You know, there is very lovely moment. All the birds are singing. There is a like a river, it's a pond, and we have gone to inner forest. Nobody is here. We are alone. So I think there is an enjoyable moment. We have come to see. Okay, this everything is pictured. Maybe there is some snake, some harmful animal, but we can't.
We don't afraid.
Because we are enjoying here. Okay, give me that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rigan bhai told me
It's Arif.
really enjoying all of those things, and we are walking down.
Yeah. So I think we have gone and gone. Okay, we have come next. Okay. So it is the middle point in the forest. All over are trees and trees, trees and trees. You can see the shining sun, forest, and all over are trees and trees. Yeah.
So
Some fisherman has catching a fish from this pond. There are many people.
not a pond, man. This is like a canal. It's
Yeah,
a big canal.
I think so. I'm agree with you.